Kipindi chiarungama thaimwe muretheria wa Meru Tv arakunde watinda ni werigiro bwakwa okwithirwa wina ntuko enthongi ire ntuko ya juma iria baingi betaga members dina baka a member ntere mwanya mwenye no indi ngakoromba kwithirwa uri mu member dene ya Meru Tv ogwatane nani ko kijithie ibigithio kire NTETO chia Meru Tv ogoro bwanarwa kumenyithie uria gwatinda mbere ma gankonenkerie jara tukuthuranirite methene yetu ya NTETO ogoro bwanarwa. Thirikari kuga NYS ni bobakae jagwangugi chia thirikari bariba mbere.
And to give comfort to the many young people enrolled and those considering enrollment, I am enhancing the path to the discipline services.
Aritoa ba Meru University kuandamana bakenda visi wao achokua ngugine.
We are here today.
Yes.
We are demonstrating.
Yes.
We have suspended peace.
Yes.
Until we see our VC back into the office.
Yes.
Nabo aremi kibiritia kwa mbere gikundi kia aremi bambeniko.
We na revival ene mono yokuria bambeniko na chiena mbe chinjaga mono pa kilo tonto bo batwe twe kimbo pharmacy twambirite nasari aja kwa society area tukumithia mbeniko.
Tugwatanire mwanka muthia jwa NTETO chietu nimbitagwa Nancy Ndogo. Tukiambiria ni ati mutongeria wa Nthiguru Daktari William Samoei Ruto na thite ndwangi mwanya cha minister thirikari-ini yawe kwejaga mbeo mbithi ba NYS kanya kambere buru riria bakurita twanya twangugi. Ruto augite onto bobo bugekira wiru mbeo mbithi baingi aja Kenya ni ubaga tonya mwaritani ja NYS baigwatire mataro jake mutorire na gukiria mugongo. Akiaria are Gilgil County ya Nakuru kagita kama mbura jagwekirwa thiro kwa makuruto ba NYS mukathe Ruto na kathita rwangiro ni onto bwako gwata njara na kuonjorithia yewa mwanya kirembe mbithi aja Kenya. Nongerete na kuria rwangirwa roje na wetorerwa bwa roje batomere otea bwambe ombithi ba ni ubaga kandamu itikwina mira igana rimwe o mwaka ni ugukabanira na thina ya roje na manto jange kuruki nekete wirane bwa kuongera namba ya mbeo mbithi baria bakujukwa rungu rwa mubango juju jwa NYS.
Want to double the intake of young people joining the National Youth Service from every location in the Republic of Kenya as a mechanism of creating sufficient patriotism and giving opportunity to young people in rural areas who otherwise may not have the means or may not have the opportunity to be able to explore their talent and be able to get the necessary training and skills for them to make useful contribution to the development of our country. I have already had a conversation with the management of the National Youth Service. We have already agreed that the government of Kenya is going to provide agricultural machinery to support NYS agricultural sector for food production, to enhance self-reliance by NYS, and to support national food production as we seek for food self-reliance as a country. In recognition of the admirable role of the National Youth Service in anchoring youth contribution to national socio-economic transformation, and to give comfort to the many young people enrolled and those considering enrollment, I am enhancing the path to the discipline services by directing the Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Energy, Climate Change and Forestry, Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife and Heritage, as well as the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, to allocate at least 30% of their vacancies to national youth servicemen and women. This should encourage and motivate many young Kenyans on their path to national service and national productivity. I have also instructed that the task force that is currently undertaking the terms and conditions of service of our policemen and the prisons service members. This morning I have instructed an extension of 2 months be made available for the task force so that that task force can also include the National Youth Service, terms of service and conditions of service to ensure that the service, the National Youth Service, joins the other disciplined forces in ensuring that the men and women who serve with dedication and commitment and sacrifice are considered in terms of their employment and terms of service.
Tunashukuru sana NYS.
Tugitana mbere ni atena we minister munene aja Kenya niwe Musalia Mudavadi narikite na kuma back na ria hakurikanyene kamutongeria wa Nthiguru Dr. William Samoei Ruto gikaronekia na allied movement kwariria mantu jakonie ogwati boria bwejanirie na mutumoko jwa murimo jwa COVID-19 kuruki Musalia na atumire kanya gaka kwaraniria na Kenya baria bakaragana kuritango Nthiguru neje ya Azerbaijan hamwe na kwariria onjorithia ba Azerbaijan baria bari na weru bwa kweja kuonjorithia aja Kenya.
Mtanifunza hiyo stili. Yezo mekwapi?
Script Nabo aritoa bachukuru ya Meru University ni banda manene na ruo muthenyani untobwa kurungi kwa ngugi kwa VC wa chukuru eje uriane Professor Romanas Odhiambo nyuma ya board ya chukuru eu kuga Odhiambo na remene ngugi yawe ta VC wa chukuru eu kuringana na riboti ni ate aritoa baba barienda Odhiambo etekirwe gutunga ta mwanka mweri jua mugwanja riria nirio athiri kwebera ngugine na kuana kunogoka aritobane baingire barabara nene ya Meru kwerekera maua na kuangaratania miango ya ugendi na ukamati gwa Kageta bagishietia kuritiria miango ya mathomo chukuru mwankariria mwarimu oju agachokua ngugine kuruki ni bathombete seneta wa county ya Meru Kadhuri Murungi bakiuganiwe kaumoka Professor Romanas Odhiambo kweberwa obichini Kagita kawe ka otungata gatethiri riboti nkuruki iriuga kuma kiumia kethuru aritani bune bakinyire ikinyare mwenyu mabakienda VC Odhiambo athamwa na mwankana ndi batira shokera miango ya mathomo ondi aritwa babaete mukana jua mathaa 72 gushokera kuritana Adams Muturia wa Dereja ari na shonkuruki
This must stay!
no kore ndene skuru Meru University Intelligence Chirunyu marito badkure komba kwithira kigoma gitumi na sababu ni Professor Manaza Odhiambo University badkure komba kwithira kithamu no kwithira gikuru thro lazima Toa keri na muthuri wa mbete kwithira kimenene seneta wa kaunti ya Meru Kathuri Murungi urbakuwa no njara yakio mbete kwithira kionekana kiri kuthamwa kwa vice chancellor wa thukuru nei.
Comrades, power! Power! Comrades, attention! Attention! We are here today. Yes! We are demonstrating. Yes! We have suspended peace. Yes! Until we see our VC back into the office. Yes! This is number one.
And I want to point a message to the Honorable Senator, Deputy Speaker Sir, Honorable Kature. We are unhappy as comrades, we are unpleased, and we are angry at you. We want you to come out clear and withdraw the statement. Kadure went to the media stations and claimed that both the staff and the students are unpleased with the VC. We want to say that that is null and void.
The other day, we heard the senator of this county going out and making noise that comrades have been complaining. We have to go and apologize. No comrade has complained. No comrade has complained. He must apologize. The senator of Meru County, I don't know his name. He must come out clearly and apologize for cheating on behalf of comrades. He is not the SAMU chair. If he wants to be a SAMU representative, he should come, we vote him.
Kurukiari to yombecha kwithira bakirana na tongore bari toba skuru alaba kwa kinyo bombecha kwithira ikura mubkono na gutira batikumba kwithira kari mathina kumba kwithira kibaromero ntuko.
We have been waiting for SAMU to declare their stand as far as the issue of the VC is concerned. And we are not seeing them paying keen attention to this issue. I hereby want to declare that we are not going to wait for them. And that SAMU council must go with immediate
that the student leaders divided and some have been pocketed to ensure that they sacrifice the innocent comrades. Comrade power. We are not going to allow. We ought not to allow. And we will not allow. We are the student leaders. We won't allow other people, other few individuals.
We have been very peaceful for the last 5 years. But the lecturers have been dancing and making noise around the campus each and every semester. And I want to say, some of those lecturers are not attending classes. Their work is to wait when we are approaching cards, when we are approaching exams. They come and begin making noise. They are wasting our time in the campus. We are sending them a warning. Number 3.
Tobankuru kibombeje kwithira bakirana na vice chancellor mwatiri Professor Charity Gichukio urarombera kwithira kithuro kwatila kanya ka Professor Manaza Odhiambo bagiwa batena wetikino na baraba kwenda ni nyuma ntuko mogwanja Professor Manaza Odhiambo kwithira gicho ko thukuru kithira tiubo weto tonto bokomba kwithira bogita na mbere gire skuru Professor Manaza Odhiambo akade tumbete kwithira gicho kwa.
We do not want anything like an acting VC. All we need is power. We need Romanus back. We need Romanus back with immediate effect. As we get into class on Monday, we must see the VC in the office. Failure to win, we will suspend all classes. And some who also, if they don't want to declare their stand, they have been suspended.
The council, an ultimatum of 2 hours. If they don't come out clear with the verdict of our VC, and if our VC will not have resumed the office in the next 2 hours, we are going to declare that there will be no peace. We are going to demonstrate and we will not promise peace. Comrade power. We want to send a message to the council. They must tell us, VC has been in this institution for only 5 years. And in those 5 years, we have seen a lot. The population of students in the Meru University has increased by 110%. Yes. We want to tell the council to come and tell the entire nation that the VC, where he has not performed, the VC has led to infrastructure in the school. He has led to development, research methodologies. He has even bought an ambulance for this institution. Kature, you Murungi, claiming that it is the responsibility of the VC to improve the Njiru market. Shame on you.
Ya kabubotiani kinya karibanchiro na biashara omba kuthakiringa biashara irure ibombe ite kwithira kiwatambaru tabana kuona monka Professor Manazo Odhiambo mba kwithira gichokwa orabo wite kuma Professor Manazo Odhiambo kumba kwithira kia thukuru irure nchiro mbecha kwithira kurabona na kinya tokumba kwithira kiongeleka thukuru
na sisi tumeamua Rumonas as Porundi atuusi mboga na kutoka Rumano akuja watoto hawajai strike na hatutaki Meru akue VC kwa hii shule. Wameru waende dunia ingine, tunataka Wanjaluo
na demokrati wa thoko entero na batu kuma twengero magambo ai kuma VC batu totona thina na biashara tieto tietelea kama kawaida na ritobe totokara abo tasagwa inya nara metae ne bariga bai sasagwa na totethina nabo batu toriwa kethira Rumano ata Meru University tote kwenda BC yongena nto owa tuiketie bora manto ya kwenda Kenya.
Tangu VC Magambo waondoke tumekuwa na amani. Hakujai kuwa na demonstration nyingine isipokuwa imekuja siku ya leo. Na sisi zote tuna complain that Rumano kama hata rudi hapa Meru University, sisi hatuendelei kufanya kazi hapa, hatuuzi mboga, tunasaa na hakuna hata mtu mmoja, mama mboga, hakuna mwenye atabaki hapo hata mmoja akiuza.
Umatiane mbechanda msimoturia wa Thirinja.
Bwega Adams Muturia wa Thirinja no ntobwa NTETO iu tugita na mbere ni ati nabo arimi ba Kibirichia gicigo mbunge kia Bori kaunti ya Meru ni bejite amwe na kwambira gikundi kia arimi na rietwa Kimbo Farmers Association ni uba komba gwita nkathe kire urimi bwa kimera kia Mbeniko na aria arimi baba bagitete ojo ntuko inka yake nyuma ya urimi bwa kimera gikigushokera nyuma ya kura gwa kagita karaja ntobwa bobo ni bakoria arimi bangi bairitaniriye urimine bwa kimera giki amugite kubatara manto jama ingi onde kire na baita enene nande gikundi kiki ya Kimbo Farmers Association ni bakoria thirikari nene gukurukira minister wa urimi ya Janthigurune Mithikari Nturi abashwere thoko ya kwendia maketha jao riria habaraketha na nkuruki batethwe na fertilizer ta arimi baria bangi gakiwa mutegi arina chekumantere Chaburi.
Urimi bwa kimera kia Beniko kana Pairethram kira kianda wagu gatene na nyumani guteyanirwa indi gicokerete kairi na arimi kathumba ntereche Kibirichi bandite kimera giki na nkinya kurutha ngwataniro ya arimi ba kimera gikira kumenyekana ta Kimbo Farmers Cooperative
ni mwekiro kugire tuthomithitie na ndi arimi batura kuria mantu yabio ya ngu wa Beniko na ndi tuli society ya Beniko tuciumia ula tukumba nikenda ntubomba uchoko ulimine bwa Beniko
ti kumeria mantu jaja kiriba obwe no tutwitite musimu jwa mbura kenda butikeja guchererwa imantu jate bukinyirite bobwega mbere aja gwetu Kibirichia center kwa society ya Beniko itumithitie mbeu na bugachiona kinyana metho na mbeu yu uguri bwa Nthiguru wajoke thoroguri bwagi uchore buru nikendo komba kwanda
we na revival ene mono yokuria bwa Beniko na chena mbechi njega muno pa kilo tontu bo batwetwe Kimbo Farmers twambirite nasari aja kwa society area tukumithia Beniko twachoka tukenderia arimi betu nikenda twethura twena cash crop ndene ya Kibirichia ward na extend kinya Kisima ward kweretwo muno kuuga ati Beniko na ndai cash crop ndene Kibirichia ward tontu twena cash crop ingi
Gikundi giki nkuruki gikuromba arimi kwibumiria kwa wingi kwenda kimera giki nontu gitikwenda mantu maingi na ikimera kina mbeca na wonjorithia bunene
na mbeca nyingi muno kilo imwe yomitwe no kukulira na 230 akamunda ka nusu kwota eka kuona ngirinya mweli umenyerete bwega kwa umwatara mwaka junde mbeca nyingi muno
umenyeri butethera bwene nyana na muno ende kuringana na uria tukarite nthi na ataaramu aja ibakuonania ira itwa pyrethrin kana thumu ira ithere kimbeni kundene ya antu aja kwetu kibirichia na kimbweguru na gwita bwantirimiti na aria thumu ka pyrethrin ni kwithirwa ri kiwango na kieguru na inyamaguri ja yewe na thumu nthongi ndauge nthongi te kuga ne kuria ithumu ire kwendekana kenda yomba kuthithia into bira biagiri ne kwendwa kuma 230 to 240 na iturera wera ku kinya 250 pa kilo woi kuonania jo imomera jo na mbeca na imomera jo kumba kuonjora muntu
okagitani gakwiba kuromba minister wa urimi to mithikari nturi gutonyera kaingwa kuria kimera giki na mwena gugitwera thoko embega
mheshimiwa mithikari nturi nonto nago nugwete ngugi ndito muno na Kenya metho jonthe gwajategete kinya gwejo tumurike tumbe kwaramia nasari yetu patu itwambiritie na twambiritie ou itukwaga kainya kaumia araramia twina munda jotigerie na jaro ya chama ni okugwa akiuga o milioni 1 twamienda ende through assessment no ende kanemwe na nguruki nonto bwa itangirire nera ruji
la tu nonto nali munene wetu no agriculture atoterie kigimera ke unique
agriculture itokwenda a society eje tuona kinya tukona 1 million tuka promote production eje embeniko twagwerwa mono na tukagwerwa muno tontore kirauni kireja iro arera ke mutwe
kuma wandini ya kibiriche gicigo mbunge kia Bure ngiripotera Meru TV nyokambitaga ki Mutegi
tumenterechia kibirichia Bure tuchoke enterechia South Imenti na aria DCC wa South Imenti Mere Wanjiru amwe na DCC Karoke Kairo kumachia Kariga sub county ya Tharaka Nithi bameneretie bukatha enyangia baria benyangitie wakibwa obichi ya Sabusibu na kinyasibitari ya Mbetiriri ward ya Mitongo South Imenti bakiaria atongeria baba giciasa ni baria bako kariane baro mbete urumwe na ngwataniru katikati ka Mutharaka na Muimenti kuruki MCA wa ward ya Mitongo Evans Mawira wa Karia no rete minister wa Ukaria bwandene na wathani bwa matura Professor Kithure Kindiki gutonyera ne ukinda kuthiria wagagia bore agwitete na mbere
mirandi ya thirikari rere tindene ntureje mbeti nerombere kwinyangwo tuku na tutikuga ne anto bakuma kukanaku barabara itrengo geu criminals na bandits na bau tumeconsult na the security team tumetoa maoni tofauti and they have assured me that they will pursue those criminals honestly igoro turare na ngavana Meru na ngamwira ntukwira tukeja Mitungu nonto na areja Mitungu na arwa ndamurungika ndamwira ndendeje Mitungu tutina nawe the whole day nonto ndenda twambire Mitungu baruguru muguru turikiria mbeti eja kurugura hospitali riku iji but it is very unfortunate that antu paka mama na antu banene antu bakuthugania paka banga kuja kwethia murandi jo hospitali rete gwakirwa antu ba South Imenti yake nete gwakirwa antu ba Mbeti yake kinya ugoro ndere ndengi mwanka juro jungi jo Tharaka no withire wina emergency ukarumu injoka kamwe kurwa gethra genda akinye gitare aria kutharimo the first emergency point ira omba guita hospitali yetu ira ya Mbeti lakini na oro kuthugania akathugani nya ethie murandi ju angaju kurigeria mantu jakari kabere shame on them beto rutererwa Meru county na bara bangi Tharaka Nithi no tukwena allegations that kwena tongeria bagu insight yantu o igitare akarika baga insight yantu o mantu ja gwakarika ja kuoneka thiri baga insight yantu no tubwa miunda mbarombe kindly twithire twena decorum na tukareja tongeria itutige kwa area antu barwana antu boragana gutikyo tukuono So colleagues betu bakuma Tharaka Nithi County, especially MP wa Tharaka wa Mheshimiwa Murugara na wengine, na waomba tafadhali take charge antu benu. Mimi nimekubali hata tufanye joint meeting kethira nega atutethia joint meeting antu ba imenti na antu ba Tharaka tukarende twariririe mantu jaja nuntu tutiumba kwijare onde o gwa karakara gwatwe kwena karikare aririo ugita kurwana magaindi na ara Samburu na ara Baragoi na ara Turukana kwena nyama gaindi jari nja gwa kuaja kou ugita na ara nangi na nuntu ituronere we ranked the best performing cabinet secretary ukorirwa janja kwena thina kerio tutethererie tuthirie thineje mianka nuntu niyo ureta thineje miunda tumithirie once and for all antu bombe gusetu bombe kuendelea maisha jao. Kama saizi kuna ugumu kwa maisha, hakuna pesa, hakuna chakula, hakuna kile watu maisha yao yamekuwa magumu. Kwa hivyo nataka kuomba kabla hata uende huko kwingine, shughulikia hapa nyumbani sababu watu wetu wanateseka.
Ile destruction tumeshuhudia kwa siku ya leo, sidhani kama kuna watu wako na akili timamu wanaweza kuwa wameshirikiana wakapanga wakatekeleza hivyo, na nia yao kuielewa ni ngumu.
Vile mnaona kule bonde la Ufa na kwingine, bandits ama criminals nia yao inakuwa kukuja kuwaweka uoga, kushutua, si ni kweli? Na msikubali hiyo. So tumekubaliana kwamba tunadeal na wao kama criminal. Hata ikiwa ni nani, tu deal na wewe kama criminal kwa sababu hii is a criminal aspect. Under the law this is criminal.
Security patrols, OSPD wote wako hapa wa Menti South na Tharaka Nithi, na tumekubaliana kuanzia saa hii joint patrols zitaendelea.
Na tugitana mbere nawe Kiambi Athero uria niwe mwathikirira wa gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza na ugite thirikari ya mama itireta witina mbere gutina ngwataniro gatigati ka MCA ba Meru na gavana kurukina ugite riria kurari na ndwane bararungikira ngugi na guti untobu akiguni bangana kugitira Ameru harite jaki athone kimwentereti ya mitongo gicigo mbunge ya South Ment na aria nawe MCA wa wadi ya Mitungu Evans Mawira wakaria ugite bagaitanira ngugi na gavana na kinya kureta wetina mbere ndene ya county ya Meru.
Ni onto riria kuraruja gwa ituraiji yote na twitite na ituraiji yote na tumba gwita kwiruja gwa ndene county assembly katika county assembly na executive. Ni onto ngugira chionde twita kinya kira gitumite undungama ndungamite aja ni onto bwa ukurukirwa mantu mana na mana Meru County Assembly iria ina mheshimiwa wetu Mawira alirindo majority. Ninyogeta ki manifesto yetu ni kwaria na amwe kaandika ichonkwe kauga upon agreement upon kukurukwa ni MCAs. So bila hiyo kazi ya county inaweza kuwa ngumu sana. Na kwa hiyo ndio woni kuona twene MCA wetu aje Mitungu inkwigwa ngwire twena nino samba ni onto nande ngugira tukwariria na manto jaria kinya Martin Munene acting chief officer kwariria inkumaja kombeka
raundi eje we namba ati muno eno onto nande mutongerio thirikari ya mama no uriku ujure aja kwa unande na wabo bukaigwa kau akengenyura ikia kungi na kungi na kungi to mwangambe anyiri ore okumugaria nande anyirwa ri kabuku gange kira kiu gako bukaigwa karetera to abu karetera ko wethere ni bu tayari gukumaendeleo kabati ja kojura gukundo ndo kabisa kire budget yetu itete okurukia nonto itukuona kwina ogwati asobo ampara na kwaga roji itukwenda go focus kire budget mono ya disaster management tumenyere antu patikeje gukuimpara na tumenyora tukathithia mantu jaruji na ndini nkaretie mama na inya sana ogejo muringithia ininde mbere au namba 1 mustari na jo mukarie na nonto nandi turejanire shima na twamenya na tukurikio nunkanira amenyora inya ya kwengana na ndamenyenye ore ingana na eturiuga Meru imyanke ku ya mama ni ingana ni 10 tesa kana kagu buku wa ungebwe buku tekaniria nani u nontu nawe indira menyere imwendi antu na gutenga vanonge Meru tumba kona jo mwire kauma ni ora tutare tukuhereanwa tumenyana kabisa nontu watene irasibiria bidene guciukiria na kawira karija
kirina muthia kirina mwambirio kirina muthia na uni otwekira gatanta kirinta to chia Meru TV ogoro bwana ru na inde to shemanie ona ti arungama thaitha tombita na mbere go kumenyithia jaria jetete na mbere ndene ya nthiguru ya Kenya na Kenya ome ya nthiguru ya Kenya nimbitagwo Nancy Ndogo.